TJ's coloring. Go ahead, TJ's color for me.
Good job. What color is that, baby? Huh? You coloring the green? Green on green?
Wait, don't color the cable. Jamie's gonna color.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, good job. Look at Daniel. Look at coloring. He's won today, yesterday.
He's now a 1-year-old. He's no longer. There's mommy color. Mommy color. Go ahead. Is the light on the camera?
You want the green one? Where's the green one?
Is this light on?
Yes, you broke it. TJ. Oh, take the red one. You want the blue one? Okay, so I give Danny the green.
Oh, say hi.
Here, Dan. And you take this color. There you go. Go ahead, Danny. Color, Danny.
So you know what you want?
Wow, Mommy, look at this.
Good job. You have to, let's see. You have to choose. You have to start from here. And we have to go all the way up here. So you start from here. And then you go around. Maybe not that way. Oh yeah, this way. Maybe not. You have to go up. Yeah, we come around. Good job.
Danny's 1-year-old yesterday.
Yay!
And he gets to sit in his own high chair for the first time.
Yes, in his high chair.
Okay.
Good job. And he's